Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me Shanajan Sepa from the well-known English language tutor Bangladesh. Hope you all freedom find by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm also with. So today I'd like to talk about a story according to this picture, and the story name is The Brave Teacher. So without any further delay, let's get started. In the first picture, I can see a classroom. A teacher is teaching her students, and two students, Nick and Anna, are looking for outside the window. Suddenly, they in the second picture, I can see. This saw a surprising thing in the on the tree. They saw a cat on the tree, and in the third picture, I can see the teacher went to the tree to save the cat, and the students were gathered around the window. In the fourth picture, I can see the teacher climbed up the tree to save the cat, and in the fifth picture, I can see the teacher her successfully saved the cat. Some leaves are on her hair, and her hair is so messy. And some students gather with her and cheering and clapping. And the teacher is looks so happy because she saved the cat. Thanks all for listening to me. Sir, done.